let's go ahead and do some trimming. Now we talking about making chicken tenders, right? I'm gonna make these, but look at your chicken, because you're gonna have little pieces like that. For me, I just cut this off. You know what I mean? Just a little fat and that. So look, we're just gonna cut long strips. I haven't flattened nothing like that. I'm just gonna cut them. This right here is good. This little piece right here, you're gonna get these, you can just trim this off, or you can leave it on. But for me, I'm going for the best presentation, right? So look, I'm just gonna cut it down just like you see here. I like these right here. All different sizes. Okay, so we got all of these cut, right? You can see most of them, pretty much they all about the same size, right? The same thickness, whether the length, that can change, but just as long as the thickness is, so that way they'll cook the same. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my buttermilk. I'm gonna take my salt, pepper, and garlic powder. I'm gonna go ahead and add it here, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix it. Get my fork, we finna go old school, folks. So we just mix it here, right? We go ahead and bring this back. You take this, and then what you wanna do is, you wanna just go ahead and pour this right over the top. This is gonna be the secret, folks. Now, I'm gonna get in here with my hand. We're gonna mix this up, make sure everything is coated. I'm gonna cover it with some saran wrap, put it in the refrigerator, and we're gonna let it stay in there a minimum of 30 minutes, all the way up to 4 hours. Okay, so now we're gonna do our breading, right? So get yourself a whisk. You wanna have yourself a bowl. We're gonna start by putting in our flour. Okay, here we got salt, ground black pepper, garlic salt, and celery salt. Thyme, paprika, baking powder, chili flakes. Then grab your whisk, and you just want to mix it all together. Okay, so it's been 1 hour, right? Let's go ahead and take this out. Like I said, you can go anywhere between 30 minutes, to 4 hours. But I went ahead and went 1 hour. You guys are looking at it right now. Let's go ahead and take this off. Now, we already got our breading station, right? Super easy, folks. You just want to take this. The ones that's on top, it depends on how much chicken you put in here, right? Let it drain, put it here, flip it over a couple of times, right? Now we're not gonna double bread them. Now you guys can if you would like to, but this right here works. Get all the excess off, go ahead and just put them like that. Now, what we're gonna do is repeat this, till all of these are done. Now you should be preheating your oil. And then you know what you can do also? You can preheat your oven. Probably put it on 200 degrees, so that way, how many ever you coat, you can go ahead and just put them in your oven to keep them warm. Okay, so look, let's just keep it real, right? We're just gonna take it, use your hands, folks. Drop it in here, do it like this. Let me bring it over here so you guys can see. We ain't always got to get in there with them tongs. That's that Hollywood cooking. This right here is real. Then when I got it tumbled, take my hand and I take it and I squeeze the coating. I want to make sure it get in all of the crevices, right? Just like that. Grab it by the end, shake it a couple times, and boom, we ready to go in the deep fryer. Okay, so I'm using my Tefal deep fryer, right? This is so simple and easy to use. Look, I set it for about 356. I verified, I used my, my Insta-Read to put it in there. My oil's up to temp, right? So that was verified. So now I take the top off, my basket is down. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of these chicken strips. Look, I'm gonna put them inside here. I want you guys to get in here and look at this. I'm gonna put it down, I'm gonna put it away from it, like this and away. Super simple. Then we're gonna repeat, just like that. Now we go ahead and put this lid on, and boom. Okay, look, we're coming up on 5 minutes. Let's take a look at them. I haven't peeked at them or nothing, but when you got your oil right, this is what they should look like. Look at this right here. Let me get it on this hook. Let them drain. I'm loving what I'm seeing right there. Let me grab my tongs. Look at that right there. Nice and crispy. When I pick them up, I can feel it through the tong. So we'll take this, we'll just go ahead and just line them just like you see. And then what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna repeat. Okay, so now it's time to make our chili garlic sauce, right? This is what we're gonna dip it in. So I'm gonna start by using this, right? So we'll start with buttermilk, mayo, lemon juice, sour cream, sriracha, salt and pepper. And now for my favorite, Let's get this garlic press. We got a 1 clove of garlic. Get yourself a whisk, and now just whisk all your ingredients together, right? And this is right here is gonna be that fire sauce. Look at that right there. Okay, so now it's time for us to present, right? So, I got my plate, I got my sauce right there. So now we're gonna go ahead and just start putting, a couple of these on here, just like you guys see. Put these on here. If you've been following me for a minute, I love this part right here. It's all about the presentation. You know what I mean? So we'll just load it up just like you see. Whichever kind of way we can get these to fit on there. Just put it like that.
Your greens timer is done.
Whoo, y'all hear that? Greens is ready. Now I want you guys to take a look at this right here and tell me what you think. Ah, yeah, folks. I might have to give me one of the little turntables or something like that so I can just have it spinning around. Hey, anyway, look, enough talking. It's time to do a little dipping and eating. And then I want you guys to tell me what you guys think down in the comment section below. And don't forget, the full ingredient list will be down where? Boom, down there. For my favorite part, I love dropping a little green, you know what I mean? It doesn't make a difference, it can get all over, but you wanna do this right here to make it pop. This white, the brown, the blue, this color, and this right here, fire, folks. Hey, so now for my favorite part. Look, not gonna over talk it. Listen, out of all the times I cook, I'm gonna tell you guys, man, don't cook when you're hungry, because listen, you'll eat up everything. I didn't use a little discipline. Hey, enough of that. Check it out. Here we go. I'm just finna dunk it right here. Look at how it coats. Ah, yeah, this right here, this let you know you got it